Hello all. Today we are going to learn about days of the week. We have 7 days in a week. We will see one by one. First one, Sunday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Second one, Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday. Third one, Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Fourth one, Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Fifth one, Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Sixth one, Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Seventh one, Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. These are the 7 days of a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you for watching.